the next one up here. All right, slide it down slowly. We'll take the long ones first.
This one is thick enough, but the color is off.
Yes, check the tag. It's too young.
The color aligns with the reference chart. Density is solid, and the texture matches the standard.
See how the laser distinguishes the density. That's how we separate the mature stalks.
Make sure they are aligned properly before the next batch arrives. We have to keep this pace up.
The automated system removes all debris, guaranteeing a pristine finish before the drying stage.
Our automated system uses high-pressure water jets to reveal the natural beauty of the bamboo beneath the grime.
This one is ready for the next stage.
Yes, looks good. We can send it through.
Next stalk ready.
Send it through now. We need to adjust the calibration. This strip is too thick.
I agree. I'll take care of it.
This is the quality we need. The flexibility is just right for the weaving process. Check the flow rate on the main input valve.
Adjusting now. The pressure is holding steady.
Our specialized solution penetrates the bamboo fibers, guaranteeing durability and longevity.
Sube, despacio. Cuidado. Más a la derecha. Bájalo, bájalo. Listo. Let's verify the moisture content on this batch. The airflow seems high.
Reading at 12%.
It's drying evenly.
Okay, this batch seems solid. No major cracks or warps found yet.
This one needs to move slightly left.
Okay, got it. Stand clear.
The grain lines look excellent on this batch.
Agreed. The temperature is stable, ready for transport. All right, it's centered. Go ahead and clamp it down.
Clamps engaged. Starting program 4.
We are currently running the profile cut for the new bamboo speaker design.
Did you see the latest design update?
Yeah, the tolerances are tighter now. Make sure the feed rate it is adjusted.
Meticulously crafted from solid bamboo, the smooth CNC-cut walls are designed for optimal acoustics and a perfect fit.
We need more bamboo on this side.
Coming right up. Watch your step.
Make sure the edges are perfectly smooth before the final coat.
Got it. This one feels ready.
A close view of the bamboo speaker shell surface after fine sanding. The natural grain pattern glows softly under.
Make sure to get the edges evenly.
Yes, I'm going over it twice to be sure.
Clear coat application is running smoothly on batch 12.
Are the temperature levels stabilizing now?
Yes, the finish looks perfect on this batch.
The lacquer finish on this one is absolutely perfect.
Look at this edge right here.
I see it. We should polish this one again.
We need to ensure the wires are neatly tucked into the channel before securing them tightly to the terminal blocks with the precision screwdriver.
We just slide the module in place and use the precision screwdriver to secure the connection points.
The back panel is carefully aligned and sealed, securing the electronics with hidden fasteners for a seamless finish.
Parameters confirmed. Initiating acoustic test sequence.
We are seeing a clean spike at the sub-bass level. Vibration is within tolerance. The enclosure handles the resonance well.
Very stable. Approved. And that one passed the connectivity test. Weight confirmed at 0.8550 kilograms. Standard met.
The throughput is stable at 95%.
Good. Keep monitoring the humidity levels for the bamboo.
The finish is flawless. It's so smooth and lightweight, and the natural bamboo grain is stunning when held up like this.
Cycle complete. The headband form is within tolerance levels, ready for the next strip.
That meets the specifications.
All right, the driver is seated. Now for the soldering connection. The test tone looks good.
We use a precision screwdriver to secure the hinge, making sure it clicks perfectly into place every time.
As you can see, the hinge movement is incredibly smooth. We designed it this way for maximum durability and comfort.
The clamping force is within tolerance, but the pressure distribution on the temporal lobe is uneven. We need to adjust the headband tension.
Each piece is unique. The rich, golden brown tones catch the light, highlighting the intricate natural grain of the bamboo.
Perfect fit. The foam protects the bamboo completely.
Experience sound, naturally crafted. The warmth of bamboo, the clarity of design.
Powering on. Okay, the speaker is fully functional. Approved for shipping.
Pallet 34B, speakers confirmed. Moving to headphones.
Pallet 34 is secured at Bay 2, ready for pickup.
Safe travels. See you next week.
Yeah, great work on this batch.